Good day. My name is Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Today's date is the 4th of the 3rd, 2016, and it is about 9:04 in the morning, and I hope you like this video. Yes, so please subscribe. Now I'm on the way down to the beach there. Oops, he's flowing off again. Magpie. Two magpies. I was just going to go down to the beach and do my usual video down there, but let's see if we can get rid of these. Well, they're not going to eat too much. This one baby one's having a drink, and this one here it makes a freaking mess of the bird's feeder. This knocks everything over. Oh well, welcome back. Hopefully I might scare this Maggie away so this red bird can have a feed. We'll see how we go. There he goes. Oh, come on, Maggie. Ah, oh, try to scare it away again, do I? Okay, let's try this again. Okay, attempt number 3. It's here in the... Let's see if this red will go for it again. Oh, the magpie's going back. And I've got the other aggressive bird over there. A Mexican standoff almost. So if we go over here, oh, he's just flowing off. But he'll be coming back over here. This red one's trying to... Oh, come on. Let's have to try it again. I asked the magpie politely to leave, I think. Now let's see if this red one can land there and have a bit of tucker. Come on, you can do it. Okay, now the red one's having a bit of tucker here, I hope. Oh, again the magpie. Go away, magpie, I said that. Okay, now the magpie's flown away. Hopefully the red one will come back and have a bit of tucker, and we'll go do our videos. Here it comes. Come on, beautiful. I've got to get other bird feeders, I think. We'll do that zoomed in halfway. I'm actually just under halfway, you lose the tail feathers there. Oh yeah, we're probably about 10 feet away from this bird feeder. I want to get different types of bird feeders maybe, so I can use different ones. So different types of birds will eat certain ones. Now I can hear that other colourful one up there at the moment. You're just flying past. But these ones here I've noticed, out of all the types, they're not overly aggressive. Like they're aggressive against I think, I'm not quite sure if they're the same type, but they're a similar type of plumage, but a lighter, more green and the red, this one, the other ones. But it's going to have a bit of tucker and we'll capture it. Then we'll go head off and do our other videos. I'll give it 5 minutes of feeding. Aha! Looks like it's got a friend. I'm not quite sure if it's a friend or a foe coming down. It's looking at me. It's up in the tree really high. Here it comes. I'll zoom out a bit. They seem to be talking to each other. You can just see it there. Oh, that one's gone to the ground. Are they the same or not? Let's have a look. Oh, it's the same type of... Yeah. Is it a younger one or a female or... I really never can tell with these ones. Look at the colour though. When the sunlight hits that, it's really beautiful. Oh well, we'll go back out to the one feeding up here for a bit. It seems to be chatting to the other one. See, this one has more red and blue in it and black. This one, other one has more green in it. It's red, blue, black, but it has a bit more green. Yeah, the exact same bird, but this one just has that. See how the colours are more slightly different. And yes, I'm getting bitten by a mud fly. That's all I need. Absolutely gorgeous. See, I'll do a close-up of this one here and just let it sit there for a while. I like how the other one keeps turning around there. That looks really cool. Get some really good shots. Oops, didn't mean to scare it away by killing them. By getting in the marsh fly. Come on, why don't you go into the bird feeder like this one? Damn marsh flies. No, nothing gets wasted here. Every bit of food gets gobbled up. Oh. I'll stay here for a little bit longer so they can have their tucker. I don't know, are they both partners, or is this a younger one of this one? Or is one male, one female? I do not know. So that does make it hard trying to figure out what they are. I don't know much about birds. Well, the feather kind anyway. Anyway, well, it's been 5 minutes. I'll let them continue on eating and whatever they want to do. Well, you don't get this in this city or suburbia. I'm halfway down to the beach and I just noticed a family of 4 kangaroos. They were just where I was standing. Or near where I was standing anyway. Hello? So you don't get this every day. Actually, we do get it every day. I mean, that's zoomed in about halfway there. Oh, they're good over 100 feet away from us, because, like, I say easy. But you wouldn't notice if they were there. They'll either continue. They could probably hold them around for something to eat, or oh, well, it must be the heat. So I'll probably bring him around here too. I'm surprised actually. Coming back, because normally there's too many people around here for these kangaroos to be here. So we'll continue on going to the beach, which is that way. And we'll say goodbye to our little friend over here, the kangaroos. You can just see him there. My name's Wilfred West from Lochsport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.